Hi students, my name is Amanda Wiria and I'm the Manufacturing Support Manager at Webco Plastics. And we are so excited to have you virtually participate in Manufacturing Month with us as we celebrate all of the wonderful creators and creations that have helped to improve our communities and our lives. On the postcard inside of your creator kit, you will find several QR codes that you can use to view with your cell phone, or you can enter the link to our YouTube channel on your computer. There are 2 virtual tour videos for you to watch that will explain a little bit about what we do at Webco Plastics and who we are. There's also a video featuring one of our team members who would love to tell you about his manufacturing journey. I hope you take time to watch these videos in class or at home. We truly believe that everyone is a creator at heart. A few of the inventions that we have helped bring to life at Webco are some simple solutions like creating a better way to go tuna fishing, a lid for your coffee cup so you can take it out on the boat and not have your coffee spill, or even something as simple as grips for a piece of IT equipment or even the modem in your house that makes it easier to grab on and off of a shelf. But now we want to see what you can create. Think of a problem or a challenge you have at home, maybe at school or even at work. Come up with a product that solves that challenge. There are no rules and no limitations on your materials. You can draw us a picture, build us a small prototype, or even create a storyboard. Just make sure the idea is all yours. Use the link on your postcard to upload a picture of your creation, as well as a little more information about it. We'll be giving away 3 Amazon gift cards to the most creative inventor, the next-gen problem solver, and the biggest out-of-the-box thinker. And we will be helping 1 creative inventor bring their idea to life on our 3D printer. So start thinking. We can't wait to see what you create.